for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie? Hello? You played a trick. Hello.
Welcome to Artie's show, little artists.
Today we're going to draw a penguin.
Ooh.
You know what a penguin is?
Yeah.
Go and find your markers.
Okay.
Mikey, this is so much fun. I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
Well, Betty, Artie's going to create a really cute penguin.
Okay, yeah.
Let's start. So we're going to start with a big S shape. And then we're going to do a back to front S on the other side. What's next? That's right, Artie. The wings, because penguins have wings. But did you know they can't fly? Their wings are actually for swimming in the ocean.
Oh.
Now let's do the left side of his body and the right side of his body. Let's do the feet. Penguins have funny webbed feet. That's great. Now let's do the right one. And let's join the two together.
This is fantastic. I can't believe he can do that.
He is very talented, Mikey. Now we're going to do a curved shape inside the body on the left and another one inside the body on the right. Now we're going to do a sort of heart shape at the top inside the head. So let's go round left and right, and then at the top, come in like the top of a heart. Excellent. Can you have a dance break? Okay, we can stop and have a little dance break.
Dance, Artie, dance! Dancing is a form of art.
It's a 10 from me, thank you.
What a great dance break, Artie. That was really good. Back to the penguin.
Oh.
Well, I think we should finish him.
Okay.
Now let's draw the penguin's beak. A little triangle shape. And now let's do some oval eyes. Let's do one on the left first. Up, around, and stop at the beak. And then draw another oval inside and colour it in black. That's the left eye done. Now let's do the same for the right eye. An oval, stop at the beak, do a small oval inside, and colour it in black.
Man, you really are working hard down there, Artie.
He is, but it's more fun than work. Now we're doing some funny little hairs on the top of his head. Let's do a bigger one on the right. It's looking really, really good, Artie.
Yeah.
You seem to be happy with how it's going. And the beak is complete. I think he's pretty much done, Artie. Oh, wait a minute. Artie's got some inspiration. Oh, I know. He's drawing an iceberg. Because penguins live on icebergs. Do some zigzags on the floor at the bottom, Artie. It'll look like the ice is about to crack. You're finished. He's a really cute little penguin. Let's colour him in. You're finished! Another great job, Artie! Yay! I love how you coloured his beak in yellow. And you know what? He's the cutest penguin I've ever seen.
Join us next time to see what else Artie creates.
Well, little artists, thanks for watching. I hope you have an arty day. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.